Choosing the right electric kettle can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options flooding the market in 2026. A wrong choice can lead to slow boiling times, safety hazards, or even poor flavor extraction when preparing tea or coffee. In today's video, we'll be comparing 5 of the top-rated electric kettles on Amazon, ensuring you make an informed decision. Stick around to discover our #1 pick, which stands out not just for its speed, but for its unique features that can enhance your daily brewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product comparisons. And remember, links in the description for current prices. MUELLER Home Rapid Boil Electric Tea Kettle, 1.8 liters. The MUELLER Home Rapid Boil Electric Tea Kettle is an excellent choice for those who appreciate speed and efficiency in their kitchen. With a powerful 1500 watts of heating capacity, this kettle can boil water in a matter of minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or quick tea breaks. Its 1.8-liter capacity is ideal for serving multiple cups, whether you're hosting guests or just indulging in a personal tea time. The kettle features an automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, ensuring safety while you multitask in the kitchen. However, some users have noted that the plastic components can retain heat, making it a bit tricky to handle immediately after use. Overall, this kettle is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and speedy boiling solution. Cosori Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. Next up is the Cosori Stainless Steel Electric Kettle, a sleek and stylish option that blends modern design with great functionality. This kettle boasts a 1.7-liter capacity and features a rapid boiling system that heats water in just under 5 minutes. What sets this kettle apart is its temperature control feature, allowing you to select from 6 different presets for various types of tea and coffee. The stainless steel construction not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures durability and longevity. It's best for tea aficionados or coffee lovers who want to ensure perfect temperatures for their brews. One minor drawback is that the kettle can become quite hot during use, so it's essential to handle it with care. Overall, it's a versatile piece that will elevate your brewing game. Chefman Electric Kettle. At number 3, we have the Chefman Electric Kettle, a reliable option that combines practicality with modern technology. This kettle features a generous 1.8-liter capacity and a sleek glass design that allows you to watch the boiling process. What's particularly impressive is the kettle's quick boil technology, which can have your water ready in just minutes. It's perfect for busy households or college students needing a fast and efficient way to prepare hot beverages or instant meals. The auto shutoff feature ensures safety, making it a hassle-free choice in any kitchen. However, the glass can be a bit fragile, indicating that care should be taken when handling. With its efficient performance, the Chefman Electric Kettle is a great choice for those looking for both style and functionality. Electric Kettle. Our runner-up is the Electric Kettle, a simple yet effective kettle that does the job without unnecessary frills. This model provides a generous volume of 1.7 liters and is designed for practical use, making it ideal for those who appreciate straightforward functionality without the extra bells and whistles. It boils water quickly, which is great for preparing oatmeal, instant soup, or hot beverages. Additionally, it features a removable filter to keep your water clean and a safety shutoff mechanism for peace of mind. The only downside is that it lacks advanced temperature settings, making it less suitable for tea connoisseurs who require precise temperatures. Still, it's an excellent budget-friendly option for everyday use. Seehot 850 milliliters small electric kettle temperature control. Taking the top spot is the Seehot 850 milliliters small electric kettle with temperature control, a game changer for anyone serious about their tea and coffee. What makes this kettle stand out is its compact size combined with precise temperature control, giving you the ability to select specific temperatures ranging from 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. This feature is particularly beneficial for different types of teas and coffee, allowing you to craft the perfect brew every time. It heats quickly, and its small capacity makes it ideal for single servings or smaller kitchens. Furthermore, it comes with a safety shutoff mechanism to prevent overheating. However, the smaller size may not be ideal for larger families or gatherings. Overall, this kettle is perfect for individual users who value brewing, precision, and speed. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 electric kettles of 2026. If you found this comparison helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which kettle caught your eye? Remember to subscribe for more insightful reviews and product comparisons. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best current prices on each kettle. Happy brewing!